Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to compress or reduce the size of any video for free in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Compressor by Josh Atticus. On the first list, you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. You just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now you'll see here compressor.apk. So you need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you can just click on this plus button. And now select the respective video that you want to compress. Click on done. So now here you will get a presets option. So under the presets, you will see here high and medium and low. So these are the options under the presets, and you can target the different size presets, whichever you want. So let me set it to high. And now next to it is a video. So under the video option, you can target the size depending upon your needs, how much video size you want. So you can increase or decrease depending upon your needs. And below you can see the encoding, which encoding you want. And below is the resolution, which resolution you want to keep, and the frame rate. And next is the audio. So under the audio also, you can remove the audio bitrate, whichever audio bitrate you want to select here depending upon your needs. And you can set the volume level also. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. So let me select this high. You can select the medium also, or you can select the low. And now once you're done with your selections, just click on the start compression. So finally you can see here the compression is complete. Now it has reduced the size to 31%. So you can see earlier one and the compression rate. Since I have selected the high one, so it's showing a little bit less only. But if you select the medium or low, then it will give you the maximum percentage for decreasing the size. So by using this cool application named as Compressor by Josh Atticus, you can easily compress or reduce the size of any video for free in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.